If you'd like to make healthy and delicious Mediterranean-style recipes like baba ganoush, you'll need eggplants, garlic, lemon juice, and this cookbook, Healthy Syrian and Lebanese Cooking by Helen Corey. Alongside dozens of detailed recipes, it pairs it with a lot of history and background behind each one, giving you a very interesting context within each of the dishes, and it's super interesting to read. There's even things like a glossary, useful Arabic phrases, and just different translations of ingredients that really add so much to checking out the book. And wow, there are tons of different items that you can make. They have everything from salads and soups to meat dishes, vegetable dishes, beverages, pastries, and a whole section on Lent items. So it really covers so much, and there's so many different additions and notes that they give you to really use it as a reference book for many different recipes as well. And yeah, so you can make so many different things like this baba ganoush. It looks delicious. Everything comes out beautifully, and I would definitely recommend this if you are looking to try a whole new book of beautiful different recipes.